Hey, good evening, everybody. You got Kody Ashmore, Director of Weekly Options Strategies at Simpler Trading. In tonight's video, I wanted to cover basically is the dark pool signaling that Uber is going to go up to about 40.42. And just to give some context, actually, before I cover Uber, I should probably cover the SPY first, just so you understand what I'm getting at. Basically, long story short, if you have not seen me talk or cover these setups before, then this will help paint a clearer picture because you may be like, what is this guy even talking about? So let me get my little writer right here. Okay. So all the way over here on January 25th, there was a print that hit the tape for 50 shares at 364.65, which is right where we bounced, right? So theoretically, the theory is that institutions are signaling to each other where price is going to go. So that being said, we also have some right now that have not hit. We have some down here at 352 and 344, and also up here to one at 429. What's kind of funny though, while I'm here, I'll talk about it, is the SPY had one at 416. I just don't have it drawn on the charts, and that's exactly where we stopped ish. We stopped just short of it. But now the next one is up at 430. But all that being said, so there's a weird print across the tape at this price. That's exactly where we're bouncing. Now, what I want to talk about here is Uber. So Uber, if you're a member of the options room, and I know a lot of traders actually traded this stock, and if I recall, everyone did very well. So me personally, bought some out of the money calls for September. About the price was at about 22 whenever I bought the 25s. Healthy earnings obviously got the pop up. But the point is, what I'm getting at here is there's been some dark pool volume down here, some more dark pool volume right here, which we're obviously all above. And now the kicker is obviously earnings happened and now we're spiked up and now we're moving. Obviously, it's going to pull back, it's going to ebb and flow. But there's a but. Is the final target 42? What's kind of funny is here, there's several things I want you to pay attention to. So this is June 17th and June 14th. And then pay attention to what the market was at. 2177, 2184. And then 2107, 2118. That's what the bid and ask was on these dates. Then if you look to the left, the time is 42.72 and also 38. So the point is they don't match up anywhere near to what they should be. And then another thing that is funny right now is a lot of analysts are putting a 40 to 42 target on it, which I find very interesting. Is it coincidental? I don't know. It just seems to happen quite often. So the point is, the reason I'm bringing this to your attention is maybe Uber on a pullback is worth taking long up to about the $40 level. And the reason being is we have all this dark pool volume coming in at these two levels. So there is 26.6 volume right there, then another roughly, we'll just call it 6 million shares right there. And it's all below us, right? So that volume pushed up. Cool, yes, it's going to pull back and like I said and all that stuff. But what if, who knows, 6 months down the road, target's up here at 40. So something worth keeping on your radar, maybe on a pullback is worth getting some leaps on and holding out for a larger move. But who knows? But that's just something I wanted to bring to your attention in the free video, that these little hidden signals are happening in the dark pool, and I'm kind of catching them, monitoring them, and seeing how they play out. But thank you very much for watching this video as I get a little bit crazy with this dark pool theory. But if you wish to come see me trade this more live, come hang out with me in the options room Monday through Friday, 10:30 to 11:30 Central, or in the free room from Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 9:30 Central to 10. But thank you everyone and have an awesome night. And I'll catch y'all later.
Without simpler trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency.
It's one of the things that won me